Buma na tongo lionde na maukite Buma ni na yonde ya kaunti shietu itatu shia Meru, Tharaka Nithi na Embu. Nimushokerie ngatho muno na nimwire karibu sana. God is good all the time. And all the time? God is good. Wow. Yes. Nimekuwa the regional secretary to meet Saturday. But unfortunately today I don't get meet to kwa na madiko kule maili saba kwa Muguri Rotere, Faris Rotere, long-serving Secretary General Julie Jeke, na the immediate former chairman of the National Council of Elders in Kenya. Na tunaya motome kuje ku represent our president, who was his very close friend also. So maybe the best time is God's time. Yes. We were supposed to have met after the ban. When you go to a ban where a key figure, a senior figure like Rotere, you may not be sure of time. Sure. I said, yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very, very glad that you agreed to call off our meeting. So I would have actually not even been able to say much, because I was flying down here, the pilot, and also to go back to Nairobi. So it was going to really take from here, it's not good. So today was the day that the Lord had made. And as a consequence of even that postponement, we are meeting being much more than we would have met on Saturday. Sometimes we plan here, but let me say, they have not gone to meet any other group here, teachers, and I felt it was important for Moshi, because, like many of you have said, I've had it severally. I've always asked members, because speaker cannot introduce a motion. And I said it yesterday at the judiciary function. We cannot accommodate how people do their things. Like we ensure everything that is brought, at least on the face of it, it is within the Constitution. It's up to members. But and I said it in Tharaka the other Saturday, please let us pay attention to what is happening in our areas. Tondo, who will make it clean? If all of us run away from it, who will make it clean? Now the reason I'm saying this is, if you feed into a computer, we are into the era of computer, ICT. But if you feed garbage into a computer, what do you expect? The point I'm trying to make is dirty. Politics is dirty. Don't complain later. Because garbage in, garbage out. I know we around ourselves by a vote of over 67%. the endorsement we gave to the current constitution, the Constitution of Kenya 2010, you know, we voted on the 4th of August 2010, promulgated it on the 27th. We overwhelmingly, by a vote of slightly over 67%, approved this constitution. Tukina at 20% at but you know, among other things, the most radical change in that document is to be found in about 3 areas. One is with regard to the issue of devolution. A lot of resources. What the budget which was read the day before yesterday, over 400, in fact close to 410 billion is going to go to all the devolved units. We created, through devolution, county assemblies. And like it is the practice, the tradition the world over, it is the legislative arm which represents, legislates, and oversights the executive arm. So first of all, that's one of the most radical changes, devolution. The second one was the governance structure, of course, which created very many, apart from the 3 arms of government as we know them traditionally, the many, what we call the Chapter 15 commissions, including the Judicial Service Commission, but most importantly, through the efforts of, I used to sit in those tents, because I used to serve in the first select committee on the Constitution between 1999 and 2004, was the inclusion in the Constitution of the Teacher Service Commission into the Constitution as one of the Chapter 15 commissions. And we really must thank some people like Wananganga. He's still living, isn't he? He's alive. He really fought for that. And I see, like, what he fought for has not been realized. I think that commission, you are the people who actually make it. You fought for it. That commission should begin working as a commission. And I want to give you an example. That same constitution provided in Article 127 that there is established a Parliamentary Service Commission. And it also said the Speaker of the National Assembly shall be the chairman of that commission. What is that commission? Actually, that commission is the union of the members of the parliament and the staff. So when I sit as a chairman of the commission, I'm different from the Speaker of the National Assembly. Because that time, I sit now to decide on the welfare of members and staff and the institution. But you see, when I go and sit to preside over proceedings in the House, it's a different thing because no one want to go in a motion, and people will vote depending on who persuades the other more than the other. The point I'm trying to make here is, I think Nanganga and others, Mendaga Commission, sitting separately. Our secretary, our commission here too, is the clerk of the Senate. Just to give some balance because of the duality of the two houses. But the secretary, when they look at what Kinyaga, to come here, to commissioners. So now, the take point I make with Madrashi, so what the point I'm trying to make? Commercially, you need to make a qua a noa ampit. Because I think some of these issues, and it is all over. I remember even with the chair of Wana Indimuli. I remember him making the point that union ikikorwaye tuwe avayembo ate ya murunguma marado media Nyeri chairman Rado Media Machakos atanona mara ria welfare ya members ira mego kugo. I mean that's tempting heavens. It's not work. That's tempting heavens. It can't. So it's not a point, it's not an issue that is actually just affecting us here. I know it is national, it's nationwide. And therefore, the problem is the speaker cannot introduce any motion. There's a point I'm trying to make. Matinda ya bale maletera ilikuwa CEO TSC atamagesha dia to favor school. They will not be able to address those policy issues. Because when I know, at least I understand the basics. Here, yes, we udhuretu ni yangu othi mbunge au kama wakilishe. Lakini leo kwa ya interest issues ya ndo alama kudhurete. You should be so passionate about it that you should be ready to disagree with whomever. So this is the point. It's a point which came out very well when after 1992 elections, and remember that's the first time we got a serious multi-party political arrangement. That time, mjumbe wa upinzani kana wadirika idange adege kuona kama bandu bamwe. But after some time, they realized that this is kitu kawaida. Even me, I thought also was a backbencher. Then when I get mawaziri, but when I go gamble, tuamua tukiri kunyosha hii amwe ono ukura, lakini wewe leo sasa kwani ulikula nini? Umetukana sana leo. Kimi hapana, hiyo ni kazi yangu. Unajua mimi nilikuwa nafanya kazi yangu na wewe ufanye yako. Usipofanya yako leta kesho utakutana tu pale. Lakini huko nje wacha tu wale mambo mengi. That's the point I'm trying to make. Because this issue is a policy one. But the way it has been handled, both at Parliament and even at the executive level, has been most insensitive. Now, we have a Katiba which recognizes unions. How can you provide for unions and then, on the other hand, you in the executive, you know what you're doing? Eh? I mean, surely. And the issue is a mature democracy should be one that is not afraid of criticism. Actually, the person who criticizes you helps you to be a better person tomorrow. Even if it's not malicious, that person is making you a better individual tomorrow, a better leader tomorrow. And you have to be a foolish leader who does not introspect. So why did he or she say this? Later in the evening, it's only a fool who does not change their positions. So when you go back, reflect on what somebody else said, you're gonna, maybe that person was actually right. That should be the reason, you call that person the next day, let us revisit the issue which you raised. Like I you will want to engage. Because together you build a better tomorrow. So it's an issue that I know has been handled most recklessly and without due consideration. So it's not a matter that I can say today I'm going to handle it, but it's something that needs a lot of introspection. Does it make sense? Now, let me say this. Don't be too happy about somebody who is doing you a favor today to harm your brother. Yeah? Never be happy that somebody is trying to please you to harm your brother. Because the moment he is through with your brother, he will come for you. Yeah? I think it's something which is proven, throughout history. And in fact, the third thing which I was trying to say about what was introduced by our new constitution, first of all, the issue of the unions and the issue, most of which are also captured in our Bill of Rights, Chapter 4. Very, very important. I want to tell you, I know that, three countries here they implement what is in their constitutions. But it's not a matter of comfort. It's a matter of being realistic. What does the constitution say? If you think there's something that is not workable, please call people. Let people reason together. Even these things which you were doing the other day, and take a coalition, and take you have a particular position, people needed to have been called together. Yeah? They go together. I think people ought to have been called together. We all belong to this country. So there's no question of you wanting to score any point against your brother. Yeah? When you're dealing with an issue as momentous as reviewing your constitution, the constitution is referred to as the grand norm, the supreme law of any land. It's a social contract we agree to and say we want to be governed in this particular manner. So, to tinker with it is not something that you want to score a point against your brother. No. It's always going to be inclusive. In fact, the lady who spoke about the one that, it's actually not called, the ladies have said they don't want to be called the one that. They call it not more than 2/3. Because that's what the constitution says. Not more than 2/3 of either gender. We have tried in Bunge to address that issue. And we have failed. It started with Mutula Kilonzo way back in 2012. After we passed the constitution, there was a concern that the date of August for elections was not very good. And people wanted to make it to, and I know I was consultant, they wanted to push it to the 3rd week of December. And there was general consensus. But because at that time I was the chairman of the Center for Multi-Party Democracy, CMD, we had already gone to court because this gender was really pushing to know how the elections of 2013 were going to guarantee the attainment of the not more than 2/3 of either gender. While at the same time, having a constitutional provision that says you are free to associate with whomever you choose to. Article 38. Political rights, which is in the Bill of Rights. On one hand, okay, well, you are free. You can associate with whomever you want. On the other, okay, well, Article 27, the state shall ensure that not more than 2/3 of either gender shall be represented in all appointive and elective public bodies. I have an argument about that. Because Parliament is not the only public body. Even the Football Association of Kenya is a public body. Even Netball Association, I don't know what is the gender composition of the leadership there. So, but that's what the Constitution says. So, whether I like it or not, that's what it is. But you have a right to choose to associate with whomever. How then are you going to ensure this not more than 2/3 of the other gender is represented? Isn't it a tall order? You see, it's like guaranteeing results in advance. That we are going to do 100 meters dash, but even as we are 10 of us here, we've already determined that she is going to be number 1, Jebere will be number 9, Murunguma will be number 10. Yet we said we are competing. That is how elections are, and politics is like that. So everybody throws themselves into the ring. You go and you the people. So how do you ensure that not more than 2/3 of either gender is going to be the result of that competition? It became difficult. Even the advice by Maraga, I sat with him, I asked him, CJ David, how do you ensure? And besides, this article says the state, it does not say parliament, the state shall ensure. So I asked him, who is the state? He was there with the Attorney General. I said, you are a state officer. You are a state officer. I am a state officer. So actually, it's the three of us who are enjoined to ensure. So tell me how would you ensure? Even if Parliament was to be dissolved today, the same Constitution says within 60 days there must be an election, because you must do an election within 60 days. So how will you ensure again? Because you have dissolved this one because the watu hakuchagua hawa wengi wa kutosha. How will you ensure that watachaguliwa? There's no mechanism. So tukajaribu kule bunge, hata hiyo wakati Mutula aliweka hiyo ya thuluthi mbili. That is what made that bill collapse in 2012. Tukakuja 2013 tukaanza na Duale 5 times. Because the problem was, the only method you can do is to amend Articles 98 and 97 with regard to the Senate and National Assembly composition. But there are numbers to go and I so many because it's only top up. You do top up. We know the way Kenyans vote. They will not elect enough of these people. Eh? Yes. So the only thing we can do to ensure this happens is to do a top up, like it is done in the county assemblies. You see, now it became difficult to clear. We, as Parliament, we don't have the authority of Wanjiku to create a bunge which is so big. That's why we were saying this is the kind of thing that needed to be brought to Mwananchi. But before doing that, it was fair to bring people together. Let everybody propose their own ideas. What I'm saying is, the issues you've raised are very pertinent and indeed they are serious. I'm aware of them, and I think they have not been handled properly. There is need to address them afresh. We cannot have a constitutional provision guaranteeing the right to form unions, and on the other hand, an executive that is busy killing unions. The two of them can't work hand in hand. So it's something that I think requires to be addressed and be addressed somebody, with everybody being realistic. Second, I was just responding to that because I know it's an issue that has been there, and I'm also aware of what the doctors have been saying. I may not sit in many of those things, but they always. I get a lot of material. They send to me memorandum after memorandum. So sometimes I have to read too many of them, so I'm aware. There are several other matters that may require to be addressed. But for now, let me come to what is happening. And I had occasion to address this issue in Tharaka the other Saturday. Was it last Saturday? The other Saturday. Yeah. I was told by a young man at Tharaka University College campus that we hear you, Muturi, we hear you. But in kwina mundu ukoretwo agithiuruka guku muno na no atonye guku mirire tumuno riu no atukwire wichirio borosio. Of course I understood what he was saying. My response was simple. Next month there is going to be the Tokyo Olympics. Yeah, Gitebu. And Kenya is going to send a number of athletes. Tuonge manya mundu agetwa ndege baria atuje ni anadine mwana mwana muretere bronze kana silver. Tutikale badigiti watu kumekara mushie tude. You can only promise us one thing. Yes. Leo tira tukiambia kuga tetudia tetuka tutambie no tena lile gosho mwengi wono haki. I mean, yetiado ni ukiri ukialia nando and from every corner of the country. But for me, I thought that's why I thought at the professional level it's good to begin with you because they say no and in fact I agree with that. Look me at the tuana ando make amount na jira nyingi muno. Wewe Jessica never tweeted this topic when I was in primary school. We established a civics. What is it called now? Government? Is it? Social studies. The issue is you go away. Makao maana katiba ni mwezi katiba yote angalie kwa raisi kwa munini wake ndio kuma faulu kwa wenge hata huko wakana ndio atena kwa wenge muni mwatara muni mweshera hatu kwa boda so I agree with that because of your unique profession which produces all the rest anyway. Nune mwena mundu lewe kule ande kabisa mushiali na mwana na mushiali muthikagiria mwana atimwiri watia timwiri watia uboro ukiambia kuthio. Now what can be better than beginning at home? So when I got it, that's why I thought it was good to Gambia Wokumoshi. So no Mongen Yitamabu. In a manner to Kudipunane, to Kudipurasha. I'm sure little could be the valley. Namotika Namata to the Kabu, where the Toloquia, the man of Marquard yet to Mondo. Can I get it when I was okay? I know not already where I was. Okay, be a corona and then don't complain. Or give me a wheel and I can't. I can't do more than they were the way for it. Take my show get here. You look very you Monday yourself. And no more than I'm going to put on here and it's our and then made it as long as Radia Luga and Mwe. Ati akaleka vinda getu na wenyewe adhuri yao na kuvu ni multi-created majority of them ati kwe lugha ya lingwani some of them and ya tuangolia it is very very derogatory, you know. Na ambele mawugetwe kule Nyeri makiga gutiri wana makwaria tutingia thone Meru na Embu magitu kwa makiga tigo tu wasio wachana nao kwanza wana dia you know Kirinyaga dia you know Kirinyaga there's no way, you know. adora to e wiro borojio to e wiro ya you know and mundu a leader they no more one of the conveners ya mshamani ujo nyiri umunde ai gavana wa county fulani ai gavana ona buwe goro kidogo I mean mundu repetition ya kila tu kujagani ya kutoka tuenda yetu na mtoto au togesiana wewe ginyando hao amone mamwele no that is too much that is no akirwa no kwa no kwa lakini others ngema ngugu nema rekira no ekwatua ado umede mweno yo mgeto yandu hangathatu aba yandu bakuwe 50 rekira tutukiwa one twamenya kogutu tutueka avata Remo utwena eka turalie na my friend muthurweta wa Kiraitu arambire nukumenya baraba kinyete wakoro ore ukathie nyinya ore ukathie kuthiguo Credo a bel example. Che vera, au per ma ora guardare, noi amuna no lo come na che. Credo honestly aquí by the way, le mata te era kido. But you monde tu na we tu. La povo is no one mo be to era ati. We at the capacity. You know, by the way, tiene cuando yo te da grupo na monoli. Kwa sio ngemeke dia danga. Ango anawe kwenda mbele bunge. Yes. Kwa mbele bunge. Surely. Kadwe kanwa. Twi kutundu tumenyaga. Na ndike mwone le ya kulia bunge. Andu ajumbe masiamasio de particular conation de makiuga no we are solidly behind you na mono ugo mono metire ne wetire bora ashira nge by the way na man on the marauka pana the language used was so bad from to aduli to Anthony Cheke ne matwalire uhuru shrine ya Nchiru asana igwa anybody akinegena so kule kwa diuka ya and you know Anthony Cheke is older than all of them actually it is a young group something which is documented actually katenga kwa dia atu hii kwa imwana siambia kunengena leo munde marenda kujibu osho mowe tu nigetha mauge wanaisti kwina ndwa iri yo nio plan ile kule munde nio plan ile kule munde wanigetha utuke ino tutingia beku ate east ni mwe ushanete ano tuna wingi abo. You know that is a design. Nani marambiti maburo dimo Jumatano atekipera ni hapana ni na another function. Akipera noka wakati dai kai komi ugo tofuro embisha ukina die kimuri ya. Buke mburu embisha. Gena die. Gemutia muchirage. Na mwaje gochira mukabesha na statement. Na koke mugeta statement mukarada mbishere na abu buri ambo ribagena die mukena ga yana kera evo yale tekinde exactly so if I plead to you and whatever mena constant touch na mundu leo ule mwene kura no kumuvoya tu unamwira munyite mbaru na nina ma the sky will be the limit. Now we are equal to the task and matiga twire ati tutingi vota ni ndwigire bitwa kota agro maono mauka bale ugo bale abunge malito gina mwana mwenye uko na kwako bure de makembe weka je biru bure kema ndo kama kendi kema ndigira tu wanaramishi bure kora tuge de kora na dina kora kuge dina adwa kwa mawe de makuru ya budget na meta omwe tukiarange ngemene ndo komenya budget ino na doma Tanganyika na doma Uganda na doma kula Kigali umenye tuitwe Kenya tuata kuone katuya ndo. You know, we have these international, agreements. And World Bank, IMF, and that do. Monge giria, gimera ni mweko, mwekenda gamonia. Ikiretwa appropriations bill. Ni mama kavinga. Ne munengera beta share ya CDF. Akiko nuko atuwe giria kima ni. The thing just died. But the Mongero didn't money quite attention. Kawina ole minister adomaga akitweka applauded. The money adomre wote no put it where wote monoda kwegwe ne atera. So there was tension. Ito nene magiri na nema convince tutikilo mwetiki adome na ni going forward next week ningo money ga money ga chira kala mugekate. Ekata pesa inosiyeni munengero. So, you know, I don't know what about you now. What you go, and these are people from all manner of backgrounds, people of different persuasions. I mean, Mama gave them all. You cannot the Canadians, when we no we require kwenda, kireta wiki karande, tukialia, tukifanga, tukiatura, yekile kutura na wiki na fuli. I mean, it's no magic. And the material going to weather. But thinking of gas, share with space, you know, you get here on a Wogo Miru, Taraka Nidi, Kanaem. So, my brothers and sisters, Mr. Giaconi, come for you. Nena mane to kuoni ya boruri oyo atwanate goko mweno oyo we have material yes na material egituma utongore boruri na utwalibie bere muno but the community to Jumamosi leo kete tarehe 19 I've talked with my members here Mount Kenya East. Majority of them, with the exception of about 2. There's a meeting to Kakura Chuka. They agreed that they're going to bring as many leaders as possible. The governors are on board. The MCAs. Toge to Ashemania Wale Chuka, the stadium. Because Maragire, the mark and a issue declaration. I also needed to bring you up to speed on that. No, it not be good. It's not. I don't believe in surprises. It's good. Nora personal information as appropriate. People say then amount of make him wrong with a community. They come for support you. They're not move regional secretary. Na nie nenama kulingana na nene shiririe mwene mwengu iria nene uno egoda gukinyia uforo wetu kwi andora meka yakura. Na tafadhali deki na barabara, garbage in, garbage out. Oh, still to know kwa na pesa nyingi mno ila devolved. I made them pay special attention. Twangi nyodio kwa uliye getekimu. But please, for the sake of our people, also try to influence the caliber of people who are going to be the overseers in the county assemblies and even in parliament. If you put your foot down, people will be shocked. People will be shocked. I'm very sure, very convinced. Mungu ya nugu tutekwenda mundu taki muda kuga ye tofauti ya ye na mbi. Eto tuwa betora ke makandi na mara matene. At least ugeze wana mundu yo mwekira as an MC yako ni mundu kukwira governor rao kile na paje dekali yoto amwira pana adi ame revise. Consultation iko waiva leo what we call our budget and appropriations committee ni correct back and forth. Treasury Secretary the government, we have a dedicated parliamentary budget office who advise us. I don't know this is not right, so we send it back. We need those kind of people. Niyana ndorama kutuweka governor, mamenyake they are not governing, they are actually supposed to be serving people. You know? But they are doing magavana mara mokoroni. Niko nje maokita kwadana. You know? So, I took any more to run the serve. So, the resources, they have to get devolved. And we really must take advantage of ensuring that those resources benefit our people. Please, wanakau na mo seriously. Be the light that you are. Because you are the light in your own right. Na wena haki ya kwira andu tafadhali ule no kiato the kimu no agogo vichekesho lakini wira turenda agaturutire twakodie vitimbi kule ugo tada mulo kodie kororia besha cia makure no devote ira rutabero liku tone mune dia mo akiona mundu ate egorori etinga ate akiona kone abingora barabara ngimwe waduri bodi gaturo tinge egorori kora abingora barabara ngo kora koni ando ate nora utabera surely egoro mundu utende bawo. So please wanabo in both places tafadhali, because they go to the immediate Siana every day. We run around you are churning out ado adom every day. As to weke mwali yeko mdawiro shio tjoto yako tuwa dere tena patana kevomo. Does it make sense really? Tapi hapana kutongolia kodie bunga kana kodie ubonge tutekwa na mudu mudhomu. Surely. You know that is an argument which is there. But then I got to take when I'm on the Modomo to take another Kevomi. Because Mudu got to take another Kovura Modomodom. Actually, Karakuna Jara. We're all over Taga. What Kodomi Via? The Mojo got to take another Kovura Modomodom. And the Karakuna Jara. So, well, then why? Because why would you be there? Or I don't mean Nick. But I don't mean Nick. Better human beings. Nikiwa tume nguvu tafadhali kwa heshima anapogo jeda anabudi wekere mkazo ni yada mundu leo kudhi kule ugo ana wache manina yake anamu kunywa chai murali ya maundu mukere na keno kuno kuva idea sensible akapike no akwano zima kwa dire ku weka sarakasi. Kwa hayo nafikiri ni machache mno. Nini kumucokeria ngatho ringi na mbuge undu gatuika muthenya wa mwisho as we move on na ngende muthenya wengi murunguma tugacemania woguo tukire tu na kana twi even more tucemanie ringi nigetha mumbe feedback atiguo